If your attorney is telling you to settle, right, in essence to get along, when you see that there's a clear path, okay, to the outcome that you desire, you've got the wrong attorney, okay? There's a tendency, it's human behavior, to compromise, to get along. Attorney work is tough. Sometimes you have to hold the line. Hey everybody, Kyle Kaufman here. Man, I've got a really good video for you today. I'm gonna give you 6 things you need to look at to determine if you have the wrong attorney helping you with your divorce case or your child custody matter. I'm gonna go through them here today. It's gonna be awesome. Before we do that though, guys, hey, like and subscribe to our channel. We love making videos for you. Please leave comments, and please, 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 schedule a consultation with an attorney in Wisconsin to discuss your family law matter. We'd love to do that with you here at hkklawoffices.com. All right, I'm going to dive into the 6 things that you need to think about. These are 6 signs, right, that you have the wrong attorney helping you in your divorce case or child custody matter. I've written them down. Number 1, lack of communication. Okay, it's a big one. Does your attorney have time for you? If your attorney is not responding to your phone calls, emails, fails to set up appointments, doesn't respond to letters, you don't know what's going on, there's a lack of communication, guess what? You've got the wrong attorney, okay? Here, what we do, we have an open calendar. You can look at our calendar right now. You can see the times available to meet with your attorney. You can put it on the calendar, right? So you can always book an appointment. We've got the time for you. The second, your attorney is not doing what's called discovery. Okay, discovery is the process of asking the person on the other side for information. Okay, asking questions in what are called interrogatories, or seeking information in what's called a request for production of documents, or seeking admissions, which is called a request for admissions, or doing a deposition. What that all means is prior to your hearing or trial, your attorney has options to discover information so that you can make an informed decision and know what evidence you have or you don't have to pursue whatever it is that you're looking for in your case. If your attorney is not doing discovery, you've got the wrong attorney. We do discovery in our cases. All right, here's the third one, guys. Your attorney is not asking you for information. So we just talked about asking the other side for information. If your attorney's team is not in contact with you saying, hey, Jane, Jim, we need information from you. We need updates on your income. We need updates on the value of your home. We need to know, how are your kids doing? How is the placement schedule coming along? If your attorney and your attorney's team are not asking questions of you and seeking updates, you've got the wrong attorney. Our team, totally committed to you, is always seeking that. Why? So that when you do have a contested matter, a hearing, or a trial, we're ready. We know you. We know what's going on in your life. All right, here's number 4. No trial prep meeting. How can that happen, right? I don't know, but you have the wrong attorney if your attorney is not contacting you saying, hey, Sally, trial's in 2 weeks. Let's get you in. Let's go through that. I want to sit down with you. I want to understand from your perspective what it is that you want the court to know about your case. I want to answer your questions, and we're going to talk about how we're going to get there. If your attorney's not doing that with you, you've got the wrong attorney. We always schedule pre-trial appointments with our clients to make sure we're clear on what the plan is. Okay, next one, guys, is filing documents without you seeing them, right? If you have an attorney who's telling you, I'm going to file a financial disclosure statement, which is your financial disclosure statement, and you've never seen it, that's a big problem. If the attorney is filing briefs, property division worksheets, or exhibits without saying, hey, these are the things that we're going to pursue in your case, this is the evidence, not even having a discussion with you, you've got the wrong attorney, okay? This is your life. These are your children, these are your finances, and you need to know from your attorney what's going to be presented in court so that when you show up, you have an understanding of that, all right? We do that with our clients. Last one, guys, is this. Tough one, right? If your attorney is telling you to settle, right, in essence to get along, when you see that there's a clear path, okay, to the outcome that you desire, you've got the wrong attorney, okay? There's a tendency, it's human behavior, to compromise, to get along. Attorney work is tough. Sometimes you have to hold the line, and sometimes you have to say, no, I'm sorry, we're not going to lower our standards, right? My client's children are entitled to this, and we're not going to lower it, and we're confident that when we go to court the court will see that because the facts and the law support it. If your attorney is telling you to ignore the facts and the law just to agree, you've got a problem. It's the wrong attorney for you. We always like to hold the standard, hold people accountable. Maintaining high standards here, it's part of our core values. So reach out to us, have a consultation. We'd love to talk to you about your divorce case, your child custody case, hkklawoffices.com. Thanks.